Using end punctuation. There are 3 different punctuation marks you can use to end a sentence. Each mark acts as a red light, letting readers know that the sentence has come to a complete stop. The most common way to end a sentence is with a period. Use a period to end a sentence that makes a statement or gives a command. Today's lunch menu is posted on the chalkboard. Check out the options. A second type of end punctuation is a question mark. Use a question mark at the end of a direct question. What will you decide to eat? The final type of end punctuation is an exclamation point. Use an exclamation point to express strong feelings, such as surprise or excitement, but be careful not to overuse them, otherwise they lose their effect. Thank goodness it's lunchtime because I'm starving. So to review, remember, all sentences need to end with one of 3 punctuation marks. Use periods to end statements, question marks to end questions, and exclamation points to express strong feelings.